Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Bit of a day of consolidation. We're consolidating in the support area that I indicated in the last video. Bear in mind, we said that we only have a 3-wave move to the upside so far on the Ethereum chart. So on this chart here, 3 waves up indicate there is still a larger risk of breaking down, and unless it really turns around now to the upside, it probably will break down and challenge those lows here that were made yesterday. The reason is that a 3-wave move up needs a wave 4 support to hold. That's the 50% retracement. We seem to see some selling pressure just now come in, and the 1849 level is the relevant support that really needs to hold here. And it seems to be that we are going to break it. We start to see some selling pressure. Bitcoin was trading around 26.8K today. It's now back to sort of 26.6. So we see a lot of altcoins being, suffering again today. So let's see what happens here. But it looks like that this is not going to be a wave 4. It's getting a little bit deeper than would be ideal. If we break below 1849, it might just happen now. Seems like there's a bit of selling pressure coming in. So what would happen if we break below it? Well, it would just follow our, let's say, primary count to the downside here, which still suggests further downside. As long as we don't have 5 waves up, as you know, we can't really say that there is a great potential to turn around. We need that first signal, and we only had 3. Okay, so 1849 should not be broken and price should not stay below it. Otherwise, it's just simply following here the A, B, C structure in a 3rd wave, which again will probably then test the area around 1750. Maybe a little higher. We had support here around 1750 on the 11th and 12th of May. Then we had here support around 1770, 1765. 1775. So these are all sort of relevant support levels. It is basically a bit of a range here, but there's obviously the 50% retracement, which is very, very relevant. And then we've got structural support here as well. You know that crypto is always turning around at an instant, and as long as support isn't broken, we can't really say, but momentum seems to be increasing right now. And it seems like in a few minutes we will have it broken. So from that point of view, no reason to panic. The alternate wave B might not come into play, because what did we say? We said if we get 5 waves up, then it could very much be that we then get a 3-wave pullback and make another 5-wave move up, and then we have a B wave complete, and we'll just reset this B wave higher in the orange count. But until we have 5 waves up, this isn't really the focus. So yeah, I think if we break below 1849, which we do now, then we might be heading for this support region down here. So it's, again, choppy price action continues. Of course, here it has another chance to bounce up. It's of course an area of support, but ideally it's finally following through to make that additional low. Especially altcoins are suffering today. But I don't think there is much more to add. The only thing to mention here is obviously we're looking at this at the moment as a WXY structure. And then in the Y wave, an A, B, C, where we have choppy price action in a C wave in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal. Or alternatively, but it would lead to a very similar result. The idea that, let me just think, the idea that this X wave here is actually an Elliott wave triangle. I showed you that in the last video already. So A wave high, B wave down, C wave up, D wave down, and E wave up today. And then we could head down. So yeah, all eyes need to be on the 1849 level. And I think then the range around 1770 is again going to become important. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.